So I think I gained enough experience to try to make an English review without text framing. 2 weeks gone I promised you the SG series. The SG3, the original SG3 and the Russian SGE electric typewriter, the Yartan. So let's see the my SG3 first. This should be SG3S because of this 8-tap design. The SG3 has single tap, my one has 8. So this is an SG3S. I don't know the exact year, probably not the probably from the late 70s, maybe early 80s. Not the very first, not the very last, I suppose. Let's try a little typing test. This is the scroller, the typical scroller, which is popular in West Germany among the Triumphs, the Adlers. The Olympia SG1 and the Olympia SG3 also has it. This machine is overshadowed by the magnificent SG1, but that doesn't mean that it falls behind. Actually, it's a really good machine with really good capabilities. The right margin is missing somewhere. It activates the bell, but well, the carriage doesn't stop. This is the carriage release, the scroller, the paper release, the gear release, the regulator for line spacing with this gear right here. There is a gear release also from the knob. The paper support should be here, my one is missing. The guiding plate, the margins, everything like standard, and of course the typical design of the SG range with the fully covered backside of the carriage. From the bottom you can see these two here, probably is for handling the rubber feet. It looks really clean actually. Let's remove the cover a little bit. The whole front upper section is the cover actually. These levers here are for removing the carriage. It's a little bit hard for them to stick in the unlock position, especially for the right one. Yes, I found it. Let's move the cover aside and leave the carriage. You can see the spring pulley here is all metal, so this should be not from the latest Wilhelmshaven production. There are two bolts here for this white outlining here. It's actually plastic, it's not metal like the cover from the front. Yes. Let's move back the cover. The tricky thing here is that the silicone fittings for the cover here on the backside get loose from the vibrations, so you have to push the cover after some time in order to not make annoying sound. Oh no, it won't happen like this. The thing about this machine is that the font face is actually both. It's not standard like this. This was a test paper from other machine. This is the SG3 font. This is the unboat and this is the boat. Interesting. The only thing that I don't like about it is that this lever doesn't fold like on the Optimus, but in the same time it sticks really out of the range of the machine itself. So yeah, it's quite annoying. Let's make a little tap demonstration. Yes. Tabulations work perfectly. This is the margin release, this is the backspace, and this is the double interval, just like the Optimum M series. The SG1 also have it, but this one, the SG3, don't have the 4 scale color switch like the Optimum M series and the SG1. It has only 3 position of the ribbon lifter. This is a low one. This is the off position, and this is the higher one. I don't have color ribbon here, but the down position should be for the higher lifter. Yes, higher lift, which has to be for the red part of the ribbon. This is the pressure regulator. I don't actually see any difference, but let's say it works. The carriage release, the paper release, I showed it. I don't know what this regulator here is about. It has positions from 16, 12, 8 and 4. I don't know what this is about. This is the line spacing regulator. Here, 1, 1.5, 2 and 2.5. This is the gear release. The gear release is also from the knob. A very good preserved machine. I don't know actually the story of this machine, from where it comes, but it's in very good condition, and it was really real pleasure for me to type on it. An actual classic. Yeah, it's not the magnificent SG1, but it's also great machine for typing on it. And let's see now the monstrous one, the Russian Yartan. It's actually a copy of the electric variant of the SG3, the SGE. This one is with the A3 size carriage. The A3 carriages are actually more common than the standard A4 carriages, which is quite strange. Let's insert this test paper back from the other side, which is here. Let's turn it on. You can hear it is very quiet. That's the significant advantage of the SG. SG is actually a very well engineered machine. Let's get to the end of the line, which is here. Yes. Oh, the right margin. Where is the right margin? It doesn't work like on the SG3, the manual SG3. It's strange, but the thing I want to show you now, it's, look at this. Look how smooth the carriage is moving from left to right. The shock absorber on this machine, which is hidden underneath this metal plate on the back, it's very well, works very well. It actually, now it's actually moving a little bit on the right, because the front rubber feet are not on the desk, they're in the air, so the machine is not stable like it should be in the moment. This machine is really a monster. It weighs 25 kilos. So that's the real secret of this machine. The more weight, the more stability. So if it is both on the front and on the rear rubber feet, there is no moving with the moving of the carriage. No moving to the right. This here is the color selector, 3 positions like on the SG3. This here is the pressure regulator. My one is a little bit broken, so I don't use it. The hook is actually unstuck, but it actually make the machine jam, so I don't use it. This is the mechanical interval, and this is the electric interval. This here are the levers which unhook the upper part. You can see now the insides of the machine. You can see the basket. The basket is actually really silk and smooth, not like the Facet 1832 or the Robotrons, the Robotron 202, the DAR 202 and the DAR Optima 200. Not like them. Not like them. Very silk and smooth, everything here. Very silk and smooth and very, very quiet. These are the hooks for releasing the carriage, but I won't try it now. Let's bring the cover back here. The levers, yes. Even the plates, you can see these plastic plates here. They are Russian. This is the Yartan branding marking here, but they are like just like the Olympia. This is the rare edition with the Cyrillic on Bulgarian standard. Most of them are actually on the Russian standard, but I have the lucky chance to have this one here. Something that differs from the other electric typewriters that I have, you can see that the keys are actually pretty deep. The facets keyboard are in the middle. They are deep, but not that deep. The Robotron's keyboards are very very touchy. Just touch the key and the command will be set. Those are the paper supports. The original SG3, my one don't have them. Have the same model. The carriage release, the paper release, the gear release, the line spacing selector, this regulator here, also the SG E also has this regulator here. There is a little defect on mine Yartan. You can see that the space here it's actually less than the space here. There is a little defect in the positioning of the carriage. I don't know why is this happening. The carriage is actually locked in the proper position, but there is something wrong in the chassis. I don't know why this like this. But apart from that, this machine is a really real pleasure to type on it. A real gem. It's actually one of the best electric typewriters. One of the really best. Well, probably this wasn't the review that you expected, but I hope you like it. I hope to find a studio soon where I can place a little bit, where I can have a little more place to review my machines. Hope to find it soon. For now, thank you for your attention. Thanks for watching. Have a good week and see you again in 2 weeks with another 2-week story about Olympia, about the Olympia SKM and its electric brother, the Report Deluxe. They are pretty rare machines, so I am really looking forward to show you them. For now, have a good week, as I said, and see you again soon.